Hello guys, till now we have created a model and used that model in the same class. But this methodology has the several disadvantages. As we have seen in the previous sessions, we are generating the model and using the model for the prediction in the same file. Means, if you want to generate a new prediction, then new model will be also created. And obviously model creation is a time consuming task. If you have the huge amount of the data, to solve this issue, sometime you might need to think that we can split the our model creation or the prediction engine's logic into the different method. Still, this will be issue. Whenever our application start, it will generate the model once. In the real life scenario, we have different project, the ones that generate the model and the one that use it. Even there can be a different kind of application too. For example, you might create a model from the desktop application and place that model in the shared location, and it will be used by the either mobile or the web application that perform the prediction. We can save our model as a zip file in the local storage or the in the network to make it consumable by the other application. In this section, we will learn how we can save the model and load it from the local storage as well as the shared location. Stay tuned for the next session.